This video demonstrates how to use Integrated Architecture Builder software to support the migration from Flex.io to Flex 5000.io. To begin, ensure that you have added your existing Flex.io rack into the Integrated Architecture Builder software. Once added, navigate to the hardware view of Flex.io rack and click the Migrate to Flex 5000 button from the toolbar. This will bring up a wizard that will help with selecting appropriate replacement modules within the Flex 5000.io family. On the left is a list of replacements for each module with available options for you to select from. On the right is a dynamic preview of the physical layout based on the selections made. In addition to the drop-down selection for each module, information, warnings, and errors will appear as applicable. Hover over each item for more information. You may also view a summary of the migration information and alternate options by clicking on the gear icon next to each module. A valuable feature of this migration tool is that it will automatically consolidate modules when possible. Let us look at one example of this with the 4-channel analog output module 1794OE4 and the analog combo module 1794IE4 XOE2. Both modules are defaulted to using 5094OF8 replacement modules. Since the 6 analog output channels from these two Flex.io modules are less than the 8 available channels on the Flex 5000.io selection, they will be consolidated. You can further consolidate modules if desired when applicable. Let us do this with the 16-channel digital modules by changing each to use 32-channel offerings when migrating to Flex 5000.io. The consolidation does not occur until you select the same offering on a second module in the chassis. Observe that the physical preview requires fewer modules once we initiate this consolidation. Hover over any module to view more details. In this instance, we can see that the 1794IE8 module can be migrated to a 5094IY8 universal analog input module. Choosing this option may be desirable to match the catalog selected for slot 4 and limit the number of spare modules required. Next, let us view the adapter options. Options include small-form pluggable adapters for fiber connections as well as adapters that can connect up to 16 I/O modules. For now, we will keep the default option of 5094AE NTR. Several Flex 5000 I/O modules are also available in safety variants. This is something which is not available in the Flex.io platform. For example, 5094IY8 can be changed to 5094IRT8S if the application requires functional safety. A warning will appear when selecting a safety I/O offering because this change will necessitate a Guard Logix or Compact Guard Logix controller to connect to the safety module. For now, we will leave the default option of 5094IY8. Another consideration is that you can choose not to migrate any module that is no longer needed after migration. This will be reflected in the physical preview. For now, we will proceed with migrating this slot as part of this demonstration. Once all selections are made, click the Continue button to produce the Flex 5000.io system within the Integrated Architecture Builder software. A new tab will appear for Flex 5000.io. You may proceed to connect the new I/O to your network and build your updated system within the Integrated Architecture Builder software. In addition to viewing the hardware and making changes if desired, you can view the complete bill of materials with pricing, or a quick bill of materials, which lists catalog numbers, quantities, and lifecycle status for each hardware.